southeastern Pennsylvania, northwestern Montgomery, southeastern Pennsylvania until 7:30 p.m. At 3:20 p.m., Pennsylvania indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. The expected rainfall rate is 1 to 2 inches in 1 hour. Additional rainfall amounts of 0.5 to 2 inches are possible in the